So you can't beat that sound of sizzling spam, can you? Or sizzling bacon when you're out. It's the best sound ever. It's like the sound when you hear rain on your tarp or tent. You just can't beat it, can you? But I like mine's kind of crispy, so. This pan is perfect for doing this kind of thing. It's the USGI, if somebody wants to know. And they are hard to find nowadays, honestly. I get a lot of people asking where to buy them, but you can't buy them because they're from the 40s or the 30s maybe. I think it was used in the Second World War, these. So yeah, they are hard to find. I think I was just lucky. I got mine for £10. But it's a great little frying pan, I like it. Had it for a couple of years now. So that's the bacon grill going in now. Sizzle, sizzle. So there we go. The bacon grill seems to go a little crispier. To be honest, I've not really cooked much of the bacon grill. It's mostly the spam that I have. But I've had it a few times and it is nice, the kind of bacon taste. So I'm going to get the eggs on as well. Almost forgot, bit of spam, bit of bacon grill. there we go, I'll stick the spam back in the baking grill to heat it up. So that's the food ready, guys. I'm going to go and enjoy this. To be honest, I couldn't actually pick between the two of them, do you know that? The baking grill is nice. But then, we all know that I love Spam, and Spam's lovely as well, so I think if I was to pick one, I'd pick them on the carbohydrates. So because I'm on the keto diet, I would pick the Spam, but to be honest, there's not much of a difference. They both are lovely, honestly. Bacon's nice, it's a nice little change. So I'm going to go and finish my eggs and put the kettle on and have a cup of tea as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. I want to say thanks to everybody who watches my videos. So thanks, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it.